Hey everyone, this is Valerie Ann with the Truth Exposition Show at Freedomizer Radio. I do want to show everybody something. There it is. Now, here is that planet-like form again. What I find really odd though is I don't know if anybody can see this. I wish I could blow this up. But let me know why this happens. I don't know if something was cut off here. But maybe it's because it's a 24-hour video from, 6:36 a.m. on the 22nd. From I guess it would be from the 21st, 6:36 a.m. until the 22nd, 6:36 or 6:37 now a.m. But when you go back, again, this is a 24-hour video. So, but it just doesn't make any sense. So right here it says October 22nd, 2012, 6 a.m. Okay. And when you go forward, now it goes from October 22nd, 2012, 6:10 a.m. until, and then it goes back to 10:21 at 6:20 a.m. See, 10:22, 6:10. And then remember, Neumayer stations in 10-minute increments. So 10 minutes from the 6:10 on October 22nd should be 6:20, October 22nd. It's now 6:37. So 6:20 already happened. So when you go click forward to 6:20, it goes right back to 10:21. I'm assuming it just could be a glitch in the camera because it's a 24-hour camera, but I'm not sure if anybody can explain that. It was a little questionable to me, but anyway. Also, here's that planetary form in the background. And now, if that was a lens flare or some kind of flare, this is the sun, right? So that's a cool looking cloud cover. So the sun is rising. There we go. Okay, forward. There's the sun again. Okay. Now, that cloud cover, then it goes to this. Now, no clouds. All right. With that said, now there's light obviously here. This is a little sunlight. Here's some flares, I guess, something like that. But now you have this little round planet-like form in the background. And it disappears, but it faintly disappears. There it is again, and it looks like whatever it is, maybe going up and back. That could be why it's gradually disappearing. Now, if you go back, the sun was at 5:20 in this area. Going forward, this, what I know others want to call a lens flare, is at 6:40, an hour and a half later. This thing is coming up after the sun passes. Remember, 10-minute increments. So how can this be a lens flare of the sun? Possibly, from my other videos, people are saying. This whole thing doesn't look right anyway. Again, sun, 5:20, 10:22. 5:20 was the sun. And this thing comes up at 6:40. So this is not a lens flare from what other people said. Oh, it's a lens flare from the sun. Not an hour or so later, all of a sudden a lens flare appears. This makes no sense. And yeah, this thing kind of gradually just disappears. Very questionable. Then I have something else right here. Then I have something else I want to show. Pretty neat. I just don't know what this is, but I just want to point it out because it's pretty cool. Never seen this at Neumayer before. Hold on, it's going through the video. It's going through. Hold on, it's coming up. It should be coming up shortly. No, going back. Okay, I thought here, it's going to come up in a second. Check this out. I don't know if it's the camera, but this is pretty cool. Tell me what this is if anybody knows. Hold on, it's coming up. There. What the heck is this? Could that be possibly from the camera? I have no idea. Looks kind of odd. Look at this. It's huge light with these particles. I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before at Neumayer Station ever. So if anybody could ever, I mean, at least tell me if they've ever seen anything like that. Very odd. That is cool. And it's like these white particles. It's so cool. I don't know, like I said, if that's the camera, but it's when the sun's coming up. Very cool. I don't know. Has anybody ever saw that before? Let me know. But that's all I wanted to say. And there's the sun again. To me, that's the lens flare from the sun, obviously. These are flares right here. And again, here's that body. About an hour or so later, after the sun passes the camera, this comes up. So this, I don't think, can be a flare of anything. All right, people, that's all I wanted to say. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think that other thing is with all those particles. I mean, this I've had in my videos before, and people continuously tell me it's a lens flare from the sun, and obviously the sun's reflection, and I can't see how that can happen an hour later after the sun passes. But enough said about that, because I had in my other videos. But that other thing I had seen was pretty neat. I'm going back to show everybody just in case. Yep, there it is. If you can tell me what that is. I've never seen this at Neumayer before. Right here. Look at that. I don't know. Some serious light going on there, people. Whatever that is. Valerie Ann, Truth Exposition, and I'm out.